is going on, everyone? And welcome to Kart 6T3. My name is Ben. Thank you very much for stopping by. Real quick, if you didn't mind, hit like a video, possibly subscribe to the channel. That'd be cool. I said that real quick because somebody said, hey man, I just skip over that intro. Why do you do that intro? Well, it's for new viewers. And if it was you that made the comment, there you go. I did it as quick as possible, but that then led into this, which takes even longer. If you are new here, please subscribe to the channel or consider doing so. We talk about all sorts of karting related topics on this channel. I try and teach a couple things. We talk about everything, like today's video. But first, we have to go into our sponsor. The sponsor of Kart 6T3 is TrackTac Tire Treatments. TrackTac Tire Treatments, TrackTac Tire Treatments, TrackTac Tire Treatments, treatments for tires and tracks. Go fast, finish the race. If you are new to prep, if you want to learn about prep, if you're considering switching over to TrackTac products, please feel free to reach out to me in any way, shape, or form. Kart6t3 at Gmail. I'm on Facebook. It's my own personal Instagram, but you can reach out to me there. I think it's Ben_Taft63. Something like that, but Ben Taft on Facebook. Any of which, Messenger, any way, shape, or form you need to get a hold of me, use that method, and I will get back to you. So, along the lines of last week's video, I kind of wanted to expand on it. And I like engagement videos as much as the viral video. God, I hate saying that. Pretty soon it's going to die off and then I can stop talking about it. But the engagement I've had on that video has been really good / funny / I don't know, but I miss the engagement with you guys. So I decided that, like I said last week, I was talking about, you know, the new chassis that are coming out for 2025. Some manufacturers doing this and that. What are you doing for 2025? You know, I can talk a little bit about what I plan on doing, but I love the engagement from the subscribers, and now there's a whole bunch more of you. So if you are a racer, if you are kart racing, if you are watching this channel and you have a story or a plan on what you plan to do for 2025, is it something, are you getting a new kart? Are you going to, you know, are you a local racer and are you looking to expand out and race a big race? I want to know these stories. I think it's fascinating and I think it brings everybody together. You know, sometimes you might think that, oh, I just run at my little local track here and, you know, I can't do stuff like that. Well, if you come into the comments and you see somebody commenting that, no, I run a Saturday night track, this year I'm going to try the Maximilian. I'm going to show up and I'm going to go ahead and try and, you know, put my feet to the fire and see how well I can do against some of the best out there. I think that's interesting. If you're just staying Saturday night racing, I think that's fantastic as well. Are you doing anything new? You know, is the intent on, like last week, are you looking at a new chassis? Are you looking to get something new? If so, you know, what brand is it? I think that genuinely helps as well to, you know, are you going to go with something, you know, with Phantom coming out with their new chassis? Are you going to, you know, look forward to that? Are you looking to make the investment in a Premier? Are you looking for a more budget-friendly option like the Demon Racing chassis? I believe Legend chassis, like I said in that live stream, just spoke to them. I believe they have a reasonable price brand new chassis. Is it something that you're looking to get into? Are you going to do that, or are you going to refurbish? Are you just sticking with what you know and looking to expand on that? So myself, currently, I have two Phantom chassis. The plan is to refurbish them because I have not yet secured that ever elusive chassis sponsorship for myself or the channel. Here's wishful thinking. It doesn't have, it's all right. Would it be awesome? It would be sweet. Because then I could add to the TrackTac, you know, talk in the beginning of the video. But I use what I have. It's all I've ever known. So the plan right now is to run both the Open, which I'm looking at to my left here, and my clone kart to the right. I plan on running more UAS. I need to run, the intent is to run the Grand Nationals in Iowa, I believe it is. Iowa this year. It's a 12 and a half hour drive. So I need quarter points. The way the UAS points system works is you have to run what are called quarter points. It's basically a qualifier now because you have to at least run one in order to acquire points to go to the Grand Nationals. It keeps people from just showing up to the Grand Nationals and sniping the event. There's a there's pros and cons to that whole concept. Anyway, I have to at least run one quarter point, which I plan to run on a couple. Will I run a whole series? Maybe. Western New York, UAS, if possible. They blended with Keystone a little bit. I'm going to try and run more of those events this year, especially because I need time on the Open after a year of, primarily running the clone. I do plan on running the clone now that I got my feet wet in clone racing. I'll get some new shoes underneath me, aka tires. Run AMS, possibly run Champion, Dreamfield, Adrenaline Mountain Raceway. There are tracks around me that I plan to attend on the clone cart, so that should be fun. But just in general, more of the same, but I plan to put a little more emphasis on running the open cart. So hopefully, those of you who actually tuned in the very beginning, knowing me only as a UAS guy and running the open cart, you'll get a little more footage of that, a little bit more of me talking about the high horsepower stuff. But I also, the benefits that come with running a clone, maximizing speed for that little bit of horsepower can translate over in the open. I just have to do a better job of balancing the two. So there you go, guys. Just nice, short, sweet. I'm actually going to a tattoo convention this eve here with one of my best friends. It's in Rochester, New York, so we're headed up to that. Will I get ink? Probably not. It's been, with all the tattoos I have, surprisingly enough, I haven't gotten a tattoo in probably 15 years. It's been a while. Maybe 18 years. I've been at my job for 18 years. I don't think I've gotten a tattoo since I've worked there. So it's been as many tattoos as I haven't gotten one in quite a while. So chances are I probably won't get one. Financially, probably not the best idea, but I've been known to make poor decisions before. Anyway, yeah, please engage in the comment section. Other than, it'd be nice to do a little more bantering in the comment section. Other than, boy, you're a moron for grinding your tires. Why would you do that? What are those holes in the tire? Dude done burned off all the tread off his tires. Look at the channel. Look at the channel. Trust me, I know what I'm doing. I mean, I'm not great at it, but trust me, I know what I'm doing. Anyway, some nice banter from people that are actually racing karts would be nice. What is it? What are you doing in 2025? I am legit wanting to know. I think the engagement from you guys with each other, even, it's great to, respond to me, cool, but the engagement that I get between racers, it is part of the family aspect that I absolutely love about this sport. I love that, NASCAR is awesome, big dirt track, great, awesome. But there's something about the karting community that brings family together. And whether that be family because you bring your kids to the track, or family as in racing family, we are closer knit than a lot of people like to admit. So there you go, guys. That is going to be the end of the video. Real quick, somber note. Lost an old friend of mine. I believe it was yesterday that he passed, Randy Culligan. I've told a couple stories on him on this channel. He was the guy that couldn't be beat at my local track when I moved up to the open class. So Randy, always Randy Buller, 131, a stroker sedan on this old school chassis, but he knew it and he was fast. And when I came into the open class, he was darn near unbeatable. I finally got a win against him, and it was that part of the mentality that I carry with me to this day, that the bar was up here, and you don't complain about the bar being up there. You go and get that bar. You go and exceed that bar, and you make him chase you. And that is exactly what I did. We had many battles. We had some disagreements on the way, but I learned a lot competitively from him, what to do to a kart, what to look for, all sorts of things, just all all came together with my experience with him. So I wanted to say rest in peace, my friend. I'm not quite sure why he passed. I said passed at home, so I can only assume, that he was in the loving care of his family. But Randy, rest in peace, my friend. I hate to end a video on a somber note like that, but I, as much as you were a part of my coming up in an open cart, I wanted to pay homage to you, and Godspeed, man. Anyway, a little clump there. Didn't think I was going to get like that. All right, back to the happy note. Kart 63 is brought to you by Track Tag Tire Treatments. Treatments for tires and tracks. Go fast, finish the race. And we will catch you Thursday for another live stream, and next Sunday for another video. So, all right, guys, that's the end of it. Later.